a HC-SR501 PIR sensor.
So I'm going to tell the items. We got a resistor, a LED, a male and female jumper wires. We have a PIR sensor.
So I'm going to show you the connections. First, take a jumper wire, keep it in ground. Right over here. Ground, and you can keep it in negative any side, and I'm going to keep this side. Take your PIR sensor, then just get. I'm going to use black because it looks better for. And I will keep it in ground. And this goes right over here. And I'm going to take a red wire, keep it in 5 volts so it gets power, and keep it on the other. And the trick is, there's a black one for the PIR sensor. There's a black side, and the 5 volts go on the side where the black thing is. And the black one, you see this green, it goes onto the side. And there's a middle one left.
So we are going to keep the yellow one.
Yellow jumper wire. And we're going to keep it in 26. You can pick any GPIO, but we're going to use 26
today.
Let me just keep this in first, then keep the ground back in. Then keep the ground in. Oops. Yep. There. So now, actually, we forgot to do this. You can keep this anywhere.
And remember,
so let's sleep it closer to the negative.
And remember the cathode and the
anode. So if you don't know the cathode and the anode is the long one. Anode means positive, and cathode is the small one that means negative. Closer.
And
we're going to take a 1K resistor, keep it in ground. The GPIO17 is in the anode, and the resistor is in the row of the cathode. And now I'm going to show you the program. Name, Nano Motion _sensor.py, enter, and import RPI.GPIO as GPIO. Input time, PIR sensor equals 26, LED 1 equals 70, GPIO setup mode, GPIO.Broadcom mode, GPIO.setup PIR sensor .GPIO input, GPIO.setup mode, LED GPIO.output, definition light PIR sensor, and the motion is detected. GPIO output LED 1, it will turn on, and it turns on for 2 seconds, then it offs back low. GPIO output LED 1, GPIO low, and when the sensor is detected, the light function will call back, and it'll sit on the GPIO high. And now I'm going to show you. I'm going to run the program, enter, and the light is on. That means the sensor is detected. After it was on for 2 seconds and it off. So when I keep my hand,
when it moves,
it turns on and stays for 2 seconds and offs again. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coding Kids. Bye. See y'all next time.